In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set PayPal as a payment method on Fiverr. Now let's dive right in and make this as straightforward as possible. First step, you need to log into your Fiverr account. It's important to ensure that you're using your correct login credentials to avoid any issues accessing your account. Once you're all logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. This is the main hub for your Fiverr activities. Now look towards the top right corner of your screen. There you'll see your profile icon waiting for you. Give it a click. This action will open up a variety of options you can choose from, but today, our focus is on selecting billing and payments. This section is key to managing how you handle your transactions on Fiverr. So after clicking on billing and payments, you'll want to focus on finding the payment methods option. Once you click on payment methods, you'll be presented with different ways you can handle your financial transactions. Here, you will see both credit card and PayPal as available payment options. Now let's continue by focusing on PayPal. Go ahead and click on the PayPal option. As you select this, you'll notice a notification popping up. This notification is letting you know that in order to successfully complete your PayPal registration, Fiverr will redirect you to the secure servers of PayPal. This is a standard security procedure to ensure your financial details are handled safely. At the bottom of this notification, you'll find an option to click PayPal. So go ahead and click that, and now you're on the PayPal platform. From here, simply follow the instructions provided by PayPal. These instructions will guide you through linking your PayPal account to your Fiverr account step by step. Remember, PayPal might ask you to verify your account or go through additional security checks as part of their security measures. Be sure you complete each step carefully. Once you've navigated through PayPal's instructions and everything is confirmed, congratulations are in order. Your PayPal is now successfully set as a payment method on Fiverr. You're all set to conduct transactions seamlessly using PayPal. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. This way, you'll always stay updated with our latest tutorials. Thank you for watching, and have a great day using Fiverr.